also. So there is very good effort by Sarawak Timber Industry Development Corporation, STIDC. Earlier was led by Dato' Haji Hashim Bojet, and now taken over. Dato' Haji Hashim was now the advisor to STIDC, and now Haji Zainal Abidin is the general manager of STIDC. Congratulations STIDC for having this major effort in bamboo industry development. Cover an area of about 1.5 hectare here, their nursery, and this is where they propagate their bamboo, their nursery, and these baby plants for their program in community farming program, and also for commercial, they're selling also, and they propagate the bamboo here using from the seeds, from the seeds, and also this is as per China, and they propagate from the seeds, okay. And we go here. See, very effective, very high, very fast growing from the seeds, and having also, this is, they're having many species here that they propagate using various techniques. Like one is the seeds germination, then they have got the branch cutting, the culm cutting, the single nodes cutting. So there are many effective methods that they are doing here. Here I am with Mr. Nizam, Cik Nizam, and also Haziq. They are the officers in charge of bamboo at STIDC. And we have got a real working man, Tulis Mani. Mr. Mani, come here. Tulis Mani is in charge of this nursery, and I say well done, Mani, that you propagate very well using single nodes, and also your germination of seeds, your culm cutting and branch cutting that you are doing here. Also rhizome digging. Okay. So that are the techniques that they have here, and you can see around there's so many. That's various stage of growing. This is Bambusa balcoa, or Bima bamboo. Bambusa balcoa. And last 2 months I gave them this. Where is the species? I give them these seeds from Chiang Mai when the officers was attending the Chiang Mai World Bamboo Day event. We give some seeds from them from Chiang Mai, and they germinate, and alhamdulillah is growing. This olivery. Okay. So these are a very strong effort by STIDC, and it's a very complete, well organized nursery. Congratulations, Mr. Mani.
Thank you.
Okay, can stop.